This is an East West Della Terra travel trailer at the Pittsburgh RV Show, Boyer RV Center. It's a model 292 MK. Got your traditional storage underneath in the front. We've got the solid stairs. Walk up.
They've only been around since 2018.
Oh, a new manufacturer. Nice large kitchen with an island.
Oversized dinettes too.
Yeah, got a nice large dinette area. 2 recliners.
They have a lot of floor plans.
And the sofa's got some storage beside it and a couple shelves where you can set drinks or books or knickknacks. TV with a small fireplace. For a travel trailer, this is pretty nice.
Yeah, it is. It's got Magic Chef appliances.
I mean, someone wants a seasonal, you could almost live full time in something like this, but someone wants a seasonal, this would be like a second home at a campground seasonal for sure. Nice counter space.
Yeah, it does have a lot of counter space.
That's your pantry area.
Oh, it smells something chemically. 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. That's not too bad.
Residential, or is that gas electric? Magic Chef.
I'm going to say it's probably residential.
Turn it. Push the door in and I don't know. Okay, well, leave it alone. That's probably made that way for when you're not using it.
Nice little place just to throw your keys or something when you come in the door.
Okay.
3-inch wall construction.
It does look thick if you look here on the side by the door.
Yeah, I put the sign here. They've got these little signs all throughout.
Okay.
Bathroom's not too bad of size.
I'll come in there when you come out. I'll go to the bedroom. Bedroom's got a little bit of storage for clothes with a hanging rod on each side. A little bit of room beside the bed. Mattress, but
Not really a closet.
very tight. Besides those.
Yeah, not much.
Okay, the bathroom.
For a travel trailer, it's not too bad.
You got your sink. Your shower. And then your toilet. Area. Yeah, nice sized bathroom, toilet on an angle, so you got room.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Where am I at right now? Yeah, it's not too bad.
Okay.